Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering details and confirming constraints. Get the recipient name, exact account number or IBAN, and the bank SWIFT/BIC code. Note currency and transfer purpose. Once you have those, log into your bank's app or website and go to the International or SWIFT transfer screen. Enter sender account, choose currency, and set the amount. Pause to review daily limits or required identification. Make sure fees are visible. This start ensures accuracy and prevents delays before you move into payment details. Now enter the beneficiary and routing information carefully. Fill in the recipient's full name and address, paste the exact IBAN or account number, and add the SWIFT/BIC. Include an intermediary bank if instructed. Next, select the value date and pick payment cost allocation, hour, shared, or BEN. Understand how fees affect the net amount. Add a clear payment reference so the recipient recognizes the funds. Once you've input everything, scan each field for typos and review the fee breakdown before confirming the transfer. Finish by confirming the payment and authenticating with 2FA or your bank's verification method. Save the confirmation number and any receipt. You'll need it to track the payment. Monitor status in the app and note that SWIFT transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days depending on correspondent banks. If the transfer stalls, contact your bank with the reference number and recipient details. Ask them to trace the message and confirm whether an intermediary bank or missing beneficiary data is holding funds. That single trace usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.